हेलो किड्स, आज हम करने वाले हैं चैप्टर नंबर 3 एक्सरसाइज 3.2. सो लेट्स बिगिन विद द क्वेश्चंस of exercise 3.2. The first question says that you have to find x in the following figures. Now if you could see, this is a triangle, ये एक triangle है and all the angles are given as the exterior angles. So sum of exterior angles is equals to 360 degrees. So the exterior angles given here are 125 plus 125 plus x, which will be equals to 360 degrees. So 125 plus 125 will become 250. 250 plus x will be equals to 360 degrees. So subtracting 250 from both the sides, x would be equals to 360 minus 250 and the value of x will come as 110 degrees. Similarly, let's go to the next part, B part. B part में भी बिल्कुल वही दिया हुआ है. All the exterior angles are given. Now यहाँ पे measurement नहीं दिया है angles का, but we could see that this symbol represents 90 degree, right? Right angle होता है and this is x. और जब आप यहाँ पे देखोगे तो although यहाँ पे exterior angle का measurement नहीं दिया है, but you know linear pair of angles are always 180 degrees. So if one of the angle is 90 degree, this will be 90 degree also. Again, we will apply the formula that sum of all exterior angles, sum of exterior angles of a polygon is always equals to 360 degree. So starting from here, 90 degree plus 70 degrees plus x degrees plus 90 degrees plus 60 degrees would be equals to 360 degree. अब हम सब एंगल्स का एडिशन करेंगे. सो 90 डिग्री, 70 डिग्री, 90 डिग्री, 60 डिग्री, इन सब का एडिशन जब हम करेंगे सो वी विल गेट 310 डिग्रीज प्लस x डिग्रीज इज इक्वल्स टू 360 डिग्रीज. नाउ सबट्रैक्ट 310 degrees from both the sides. So x would be equals to 360 degrees minus 310 degrees. So the value of angle x is going to be equals to 50 degrees. Now the next question is, find the measures of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. So we all know that sum of all the exterior angles of the polygon is equals to 360 degree, है ना? So if we have to calculate what will be the measurement of each exterior angle, and since it is a regular polygon, तो जब regular polygon होता है तो regular polygons have equal exterior angles. So each exterior angle would be equals to, each exterior angle will be equals to 360 degree, which is the sum of all the exterior angles divided by the number of sides. So for the first one, it would be 360 degrees divided by number of sides are 9. हम इसे कैंसिल करेंगे. So 9 times of 4 is 36 and 0. So that will be 40 degree. So each exterior angle of the regular polygon would be 40 degrees. Now moving on to the second part. So again each exterior angle will be same formula में use करना है. Each exterior angle is equals to 360 degree divided by number of sides. यहाँ पे number of sides 15 है. हम इसे सॉल्व करेंगे. So 5 times of 3 is 15, 5 times of 7 is 35 and 5 times of 2 is 30 degrees. This is again divisible. So 3 times of 1 is 3, 3 times of 2 is 6, 3 times of 4 is 12. So each exterior angle would be equals to 24 degrees. Now they say how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degrees. तो सबसे पहले the most important word here again is regular polygon. जैसे ही आपको पता चलता है कि कोई polygon regular polygon है तो उसके सारे exterior angles और सारे interior angles equal होंगे. Again the same formula, sum of all exterior angles. सारे exterior angles का sum कितना होता है? 360 degrees. Now हमें पता है when we were calculating each exterior angle, it was 360 degree upon number of sides. तो number of sides कैसे निकालना है? ये हमें पता है. number of sides थे 360 degree divided by each exterior angle, and here each exterior angle is 24 degrees. So number of sides would be equals to 360 degrees over 24 degrees, which is also an angle, exterior angle 24 degrees hai. When we will divide this, so 12 times of 3 is 36, 30, 12 times of 2 is 24. Again divisible hai, so 2 times of 1 is 2 and 2 times of 15 is 30. So the answer will be 15 sides. Next question, question number 4 is, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degrees? तो कंसिडर कोई भी रेगुलर पॉलीगन है तो सबसे पहले वी ऑल नो दैट अगर कोई रेगुलर पॉलीगन है तो उसकी इंटीरियर एंगल्स का मेजरमेंट इक्वल होगा, एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स का मेजरमेंट इक्वल होगा. एंड वन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट ईच एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्लस ईच इंटीरियर एंगल विल बी अ लीनियर पेयर. मतलब उन दोनों एंगल्स का एवरी एक्सटीरियर एंगल, सपोज मैं एक ये ट्राइंगल बना देती हूँ, ठीक है, तो ये इसका इंटीरियर एंगल है ट्राइंगल का, ये एक्सटीरियर है. So sum of the interior angle and the exterior angle is always a linear pair, is always equals to 180 degree. So if I know that each interior angle is 165 degrees, can I calculate the exterior angle? So each exterior angle plus each interior angle, which is 165 degrees, is equals to 180 degrees. और यहाँ से we will be able to get each exterior angle, which will be equals to 180 degrees minus 165 degrees. और इसकी वैल्यू आ जाएगी 15 degrees. Again, हमें क्या निकालना है? You have to calculate the number of sides. So number of sides will be equals to 360 degree divided by measurement of each exterior angle. When you will cancel this out, 360 degree divided by 15 degrees will give you 15 times of 2 is 30 and then you will get 60. So 15 times of 4 is 60 degrees. So the number of sides will be 24 sides. Question number 5, A part is it possible to have a regular polygon with the measure of each exterior angle as 22 degrees? So for question number 5th A part, we know that sum of all exterior angle is always 360 degree, right? So this exterior angle 22 degree is possible if and only if 360 degree is a multiple of 22 degrees. क्या 360 डिग्री मल्टीपल है 22 डिग्रीज का? चेक कर लेते हैं. देखो 22 डिग्रीज में अगर हम 10 टाइम्स भी मल्टीप्लाई कर दें, मतलब अगर कंसिडर करते हैं एक रेगुलर पॉलीगन है जिसका 10 साइड्स है, तो क्या मेजरमेंट आएगा? इट वुड बी 220 डिग्रीज. तो 220 डिग्री इज अ मेजरमेंट, 220 डिग्री इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 22 डिग्रीज. ऐसे ही इफ वी कंसिडर 22 टाइम्स ऑफ 15 तो वो आ जाएगा 330 डिग्रीज. ठीक है, उसके बाद 22 टाइम्स ऑफ 16 करके देखते हैं तो 352 डिग्रीज है. और जब हम 22 टाइम्स ऑफ 17 करेंगे ना तो आपका मेजरमेंट आएगा 374 डिग्रीज. तो आप देख सकते हो कि 22 डिग्री का मल्टीपल 360 डिग्री नहीं है, इसलिए इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू हैव अ रेगुलर पॉलीगन विद अ मेजरमेंट ऑफ ईच एक्सटीरियर एंगल एज 22 डिग्रीज. नेक्स्ट वो कह रहे हैं, can it be an interior angle of a regular polygon? Why? अब अगर if each interior angle is 22 degrees तो exterior angle automatically कितना हो जाएगा? 180 minus 22 degrees और इसका measurement आ जाएगा 158 degrees. Again you have to apply the same logic. Exterior angle 158 degree का multiple 360 degree आता है तभी वो exterior angle possible है. So again the answer for this is no. And why? Because 360 degree is not a multiple of 158 degrees. All right. Next is question number 6. So it says, what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon and why? And the part B is, what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? So इस question में let us first do B part because the A part is linked exactly to it. So what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? सबसे पहले polygon क्या होता है? Polygon is bounded by line segments and the minimum line segments you require is 3. So सबसे basic polygon हमारा triangle है, right? अगर सबसे basic polygon हमारा triangle है तो हमें पता है sum of all the angles of the triangle is 180 degree, right? और अगर 180 degree is the sum of the triangle, तो what will be the exterior sum of all the exterior angles? ये तो same ही होता है कोई भी polygon हो. So sum of all exterior angles will be 360 degree, right? Since it is a regular polygon, so every angle, every exterior angle will be same. So each exterior angle will be 360 degree divided by 3. So each exterior angle of a regular triangle would be 120 degrees. And this is the maximum exterior angle that is possible for a regular polygon. Now, because I said we will do for A part later, क्योंकि each exterior angle, each maximum exterior angle of the regular polygon 120 degree है, तो minimum interior angle क्या होगा? Minimum कब होगा interior angle? जब exterior angle maximum होगा. So minimum interior angle which is possible will be equals to 180 degree minus 120 degrees, and it would be 60 degrees. With this, we finish our exercise 3.2 of chapter number 3, NCERT Maths Class 8 new textbook. Thank you. Bye-bye.